Meaning of invitation.
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 Invitation. The term invitation refers to a request or offer to someone to join a particular event, occasion, or activity. It is a formal or informal way of inviting people to participate in something such as a party, wedding, meeting, or conference. Invitations can be sent via various means such as email, phone calls, or physical cards. The purpose of the invitation is to inform the person invited about the details of the event, including the date, time, location, dress code, and other important information.